Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn your
No, because this right here, this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed.
Oh my god, my
Sheila.